Hey, what's up guys? This is Vincent, and in this Luminar Neo tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn this landscape photo into this with only 3 tools. So let's get started. So right now I'm in Luminar Neo and I'm just going to open up this photo, go to edit, and then I'm going to go to tools, click on enhance, and I'm going to use this enhance AI ascent slider here. So this slider, it controls different tools or different parts of a photo, including shadows, highlights, contrast, detail, and tone. So I'm just going to increase this a little bit. And until I get something better, I think I'll keep it at around 60. Now this image looks pretty good, but it also looks a little bit rough or tough around here in the foreground. So I'm going to go to the mystical tool right here. And this mystical tool, it makes the image a little bit more soft, or gives it a soft lighting to it. So I'm just going to increase this a little bit. Let's see the before and the after. I'll increase it to about 40 now. Now I'll look at the before and after. Before and after. So that looks a little bit better. The image looks a little bit more soft. There's a little bit more focus on this tree. I know one thing we can do is also crop it to make it look better, but I just want to show you the entire photo. And now the next thing I want to do is do a little bit of color grading with the color harmony tool right here. And I'm just going to impact the brilliance or the brilliance slider and add a little glow or a little golden hour color to it by moving the slider to the right. And you can see it's a little bit more warm right here. I'm not adjusting the warmth slider, just the brilliance. So let me increase it a little bit more. Let me show you the before and after. Before and after. So it's a subtle change. And let me make it a little bit more dramatic and keep it at 32. So here's the before without the color harmony, and here's the after with the color harmony. And that's it, just with 3 simple tools of the Enhance AI, Mystical, and Color Harmony, I was able to turn this photo into this photo, which looks pretty good. And by the way, did you guys notice this cruise ship in the background? If you did, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and check out my photography on Instagram.